You may find it easier to assemble this sofa with the help of a friend. Feed one 1 3/4 inch flat tip screw through the right back leg to the right arm as shown. Tighten slightly by hand and then use a drill to secure fully. Repeat this step to attach the left back leg to the left arm. Next, attach the assembled right side frame to the seat using 3 1 3/4 inch flat tip screws. Repeat this step to attach the left side frame to the seat. Attach the back piece between the side frames using 2 1 1/2 inch bolts and 2 3-inch screws. Use 2 2-inch screws to attach the back piece to the seat. Finally, attach the gussets to the bottom of the seat and the inside of the legs using 2 2-inch screws as shown. If you have any questions or need any additional support, please feel free to contact us.